In this video, I want to share a few ways on how you can get hired as a video editor and, more importantly, stay hired in the later half of the 2020s. Now, there are different ways to approach a career in media, but this video is strictly focusing on editing videos. So, here is the number one strategy of getting hired. Post your work online. You can shut the video off now if you wanted a summary, but here's the best path to get there. Most editors are being found on Instagram and LinkedIn. Key word here, found. This is different for those that already have a network or have been in the game. If you're coming into the industry or if you're coming up short, the ones that are getting found online are doing these two things. They post consistently and they edit top performing videos. Said in another way, you already know the consistent part, but the top performing videos is simply proven content. So here are two ways to execute this. You can reformat a winner or create something original. So, said in another way, you can take a piece of content that's proven online and make it into a movie trailer. So for that first option, if there is a piece of content that went viral, say a video or a carousel on Instagram or a thread on LinkedIn, you can flip that, take the copy, take the text, take that information that's already proven and make it into an edit. Because there's already social proof that the content worked, so why not remix it into something creative? The second option, creating trailers, some people call it a hype edit, vibe edit, reel, whatever. Taking existing media and creatively making it your own. The best example I have is the great Zohair. That's how we found him and how agencies and movie studios are finding him. He's taking sections of a movie or movies and making them into a trailer that no one has seen before. So those are the practical and tactical things you can do to get work. But now let's talk about how to keep the work. Whether you're a freelance editor or part of an editing team, the common denominator for you and your team's success is communication and execution. The ones that do their best to hit deadlines and communicate effectively are the hardest editors to find. I'll say it again differently. If you want to have a career as a video editor, your number one skill is to master communication. I've worked with some of the most talented editors in the world and I've had to fire some simply because their communication was awful. We kept much less skilled editors for longer because they were effective communicators, which brings me to this. Every single project that you work on is different. That's why it's important to communicate effectively. Things are going to happen. Things are always not the same with every single project that you take on. So again, communication is going to be your number one priority in this game. So a quick recap and I'll let you go. To get work, post your work often. To keep work, communicate effectively. I'll see you in the next one.